This is going to be fart noises made with dog chew toys number 2. We're going to laugh sometimes in this video, so don't worry about that. Just listen to the fart noises. So, should we turn? This is me, Jordan. This is Jordan here, and right there's Michaela.
Bright light.
It really is a bright light. I can't see anything by my eyes. And this is my dog chew toy, and that's Michaela's. Oh my gosh! What?
Which one?
Oh my gosh. 7 out of 10. Real beer. 10. What was that? Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Oh, we were laughing